think we're coming to the end of our time with Kenny Riggs. Yeah. Take a picture of the mileage right now.
If you saw yesterday's video, then you know that Kenny Riggs sprung a leak. We ended up driving to the Flying J in Sayre, Oklahoma, but then Werner sent us back up the road to the TA. So that's where we are now, and let's find out what's going on. And welcome to the Joy of Trucking. Good to have you along. Thanks for traveling with us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit that subscribe button. And sometime in the video, if you're enjoying it, please do give us the thumbs up. All right, now let's check it out.
Look, water pump installation, $416.
Yes, but we're not getting one.
Well, they don't have any in stock.
That's right. So
And
tell
they
us
gotta-
what happened.
Mechanic looked at the water pump and decided real quick you need a new water pump, but they don't have any in stock, and it takes a very long time to get one. If you order it, it could be, he doesn't know, could be weeks. So I called the company now and told them the situation and asked whether I'm going to leave the truck here and let them order the part, or they want to tow it somewhere else, what they're going to do with the truck. So they put me through to the breakdown department, and they're going to tell me what to do with the truck. And meantime, Omaha is going to decide what to do with this load, because I told them I got a loaded trailer here that has to go to Albuquerque. So I'm sure they're looking for somebody now to take that.
Yeah. Wow. And that leaves us sitting halfway between Amarillo and Oklahoma City in the windy
Yeah,
Oklahoma.
we're probably going to spend the night here in the
Yeah.
truck, and then
It's going to be interesting to see
see
what
what they do.
happens.
Mm-hmm. But I am 5th in line on hold with the breakdown department.
Mm-hmm.
So
And we almost, well, you almost got a new truck when they had it in the shop a couple weeks ago.
yeah,
And now here we are again. Looks like if they can't get the part, well, you know, maybe there's a Kenworth dealer somewhere that has the part in stock and they just have to tow it to like Amarillo or Oklahoma City.
yeah, that's up to the breakdown department. But I think we're coming to the end of our time with Kenny Riggs. Yeah. Take a picture of the mileage right now.
Kenny Riggs, say it's not true.
83.9
Hmm?
from 269.3. So that's 114.6. Almost 115,000 miles in this truck. This up here. Watch. I gotta leave this with the trailer.
Why don't you give us the update again, hun?
Update. Needs a water pump. The breakdown department says they're probably going to want to tow it to a Kenworth dealer and let them take care of it. I think the truck will be there for quite a while. But we'll go with the truck when it gets towed to a dealer, and we'll sit there and wait for further instructions. Probably not going to make a decision on what to do with us until tomorrow when my fleet manager comes back in, because it's now 5 o'clock in Omaha, and
And you've tried 3 times and he's not available anymore.
it's ringing.
Oh, it's ringing.
Just let you know, I talked to Breakdown, and they say they want the truck to go to a dealer, so they're arranging for a tow truck to take it to a dealer, and I'm going to go with the truck. So I don't know what happens after that, if they'll see if they can fix it quick, or if you're going to find me another truck or what. I guess I'll find out that tomorrow. For now, I'm going to stay with the truck. I don't know when the tow truck's coming. They're going to contact me when they're on the way. In the meantime, I have a loaded trailer here at this TA. Have you got somebody else coming to get it yet? Like 10 minutes ago, and he put me in touch with Breakdown. No, because it's going to a dealership. They don't want the loaded trailer there. That's what Breakdown told me. It's going to be here at the TA. Yeah. Do you need an address here? Yeah. Yeah, I-40, exit 26. Nope, they're gonna contact me when they get a hold of a contractor, and then they'll tell me when he's on the way. And yeah, so I'll just leave the bills in the bill box on the trailer. Yeah, absolutely. All right. All right. Talk to you soon. Okay. All right. All right. Bye-bye. They never hang up. So if you start talking, they're listening to you. Yeah, so he's gonna. This is a different guy than I talked to 10 minutes ago, and he's like, "Oh, I had no idea." I said, "Yeah." Mm-hmm. So he's gonna find somebody in Oklahoma to come and get this trailer. I gotta leave the bills in the box on the front, and then we just gotta wait for the tow truck. So I don't think we're gonna move the trailer. Let's leave it there.
Okay.
Okay. I would like to keep an eye on it though.
Well, then I guess we park in front of it.
Well,
I was hoping to park a little further away because we are right next to the sewage pool.
Right there by that bobtail. We can see the trailer, and the wind is blowing the smell this way.
Yeah, okay.
Still gives the tow truck plenty of room
Yeah.
to hook up to us.
Okay. Okay. Do not want to be right next to the sewage right now. It was, I opened my window a crack and whoo-wee. Yeah, all right, putting the paperwork. So hey, you know, this is really stressful, and yeah, it's the unknown and so many moving parts. The good thing is, oh my God, it's gonna be a great video. You guys are gonna enjoy this. I think, anyway. I hope so. Yeah. Because we just don't know what's gonna happen. Neither do we. But let's be hopeful. The big hope, I don't know what the big hope is. Do we want Kenny Riggs fixed quickly, or do we just want a new truck? I mean, hey, if it's like a brand new Kenworth, that would be pretty nice. Well, stay tuned. He does look kind of sad. Yep. Disappointing. Honey bunny.
Yeah.
You look sad walking back.
Well,
Had your head hanging down.
sad about my truck. I'm sad we're not making any money now. But it's all part of the adventure. Never been towed before. It's different.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's gonna be such a good video.
If you're into that kind of thing. You got everything charging that you need charging, because we can't run the engine. Right? You're gonna find you're running out of power in a couple hours. Idling. At least it's not freezing outside, eh?
Yep. Yep.
It's an actual parking spot here. what if 97%? What if we get towed to a dealer and then they say you have to go to a hotel until we find you another truck? If they tow us tonight, it'll be a couple hours. We'll be in the tow truck with the driver, and we get to the dealer, we can sleep in the truck probably, because they won't be open until the morning. But then we might want to pack a bag. They might tell us to go to a hotel, and then, or they might say you need to get to a terminal to get another truck, in which case we'd have to take everything out of here and put it in a rental car. So that's the two possibilities. The third possibility is they got the part, they fix it, and we're gone.
Mm-hmm.
Right? But we've lost that load, so then we'd be bobtailing someplace to get a load.
But you know what I was thinking?
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking, let's call the Kenworth dealer in Amarillo and in Oklahoma City and ask them if they have the part. Because that could, for us, already clear up a little bit of mystery.
Nope, I'm not doing that.
Oh, okay. Well, I will. So, hey, I got to get off my video. Got to use my phone. So I called the Kenworth dealer in Amarillo, and they did not have the water pump in stock, but they would have been able to... Oh, there's Kevin. Eating an apple. Yeah, they would have been able to get it within a couple days. And so then I called Oklahoma City, and their Kenworth dealer has one of those water pumps in stock. So Kevin called the company back to see where they are intending on towing us, and it is Oklahoma City. And so we said, hey, we checked on the water pump and they do have one. I just can't help myself. I'm used to being a business owner and I like to take care of stuff and solve problems. So I have, but now we wait anyway, because we got a message probably an hour for the tow truck to get here. But at least the plan is Oklahoma City. We know there is a water pump there. We now also know that they are open 24/7. They have a driver's lounge with Wi-Fi, and I think we're gonna get to keep Kenny Riggs for now. Yay! Kevin. Yay!
Yay! Yay! I'm glad I don't have to move all this stuff out of here.
Yeah. Though we have less on board now than we did before Christmas.
Okay.
For example, I took a lot of stuff off the truck. And we're eating all the reserves that I had squirreled away for healthy food. So, anyway, more shall be revealed. Nice.
Nice truck.
Yeah.
Both gonna fit in there? One small cab. Oh, he's got a sleeper.
Look at that. Fancy. They always have nice lights. Woo! And I know one of our subscribers used to drive one of these. Thanks for joining us today as this saga continues to unfold. Will that FedEx load ever get to Albuquerque? And what's gonna happen with Kenny Riggs? So it's an interesting experience we're gonna have here. We actually get to ride in the Pete. This is our first time ever getting towed, and join us in the next video and we'll show you this whole experience of getting hooked up, and then also we'll have another video of actually riding in the Pete. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. What are your thoughts on, this situation? And also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. Have a fantastic day. With love from Kevin and Tanya and Kenny Riggs. Bye.